Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is not really a video, it's more of a channel update. So as you might have noticed, I haven't posted a video on my main channel in like about 2 weeks or so, I think. And that is because it's just been difficult juggling school and YouTube and just life in general. It's just been pretty hectic. So I took an unplanned break because I just had to deal with school and I just kind of had to prioritize. But during that unplanned break, I got to thinking that, my channel is a bit stagnant right now, according to my liking. And I feel like it needs something more. Basically, this channel update is just to let you guys know that I will be revamping my channel a little bit. It's been mainly all about like motivational videos and just advice videos. I feel like I want to broaden the horizons and make it a bit more of a personal channel. I want to use Stallion Vlogs as a way to share my life. And I feel like in a way I have kind of narrowed it down a bit too much for myself, and that's not me. I'm a multi-layered person and there's so much more to me than this serious side, and that's what I want to share with you guys. I want to share almost everything about myself. I want to be able to share me with you guys. I want to be able to share myself. If you do follow me on Facebook, if you follow me on Instagram and you are following me on my Facebook page, you will notice that I've started to like sign off with my name, Mumsie, and that's part of the whole revamping process. I want to bring more of myself into it. Initially, I did use Stallion Girl, but I don't feel like I want to do that anymore. I want to just bring in myself. I want to be able to share my personal experiences with you guys. I want to be able to share the things that I like to share. I want this channel to be a fun channel for both myself and for you guys. And honestly, I feel like it's just been too serious for my liking. And as I always say, it's never that serious. And I want to share that other side too. I want to share that other side of me with you guys. If you follow my vlogging channel, you will be able to see that, well, personally, I feel like those are just two different people. And in a way, maybe they are, but that just shows me that there's so much more to me that I'm not letting you guys on the main channel see. And so that's why I want to completely revamp my channel. So I want to deal with 3 main topics, or 3 main categories. Of course, I'm going to keep my motivational videos, and I'm going to keep that category because that's what makes Stallion Vlogs, that's what started Stallion Vlogs, and I'm going to keep that in there for sure. But I'm also going to it's going to be a lifestyle, motivation, and faith channel. Those are the 3 things that I want to focus on because those are the 3 things that mean the most to me. So I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that there is going to be a few changes. They're not going to be drastic. It's just going to be a lot more of a variety on my channel. And I trust that it's going to make the channel a lot more enjoyable. It's going to make it more enjoyable for me to make videos. It's gonna make it a lot, it's just gonna be a fun experience, and I look forward to it. It is a part of this, 2016 is my year type of thing. So I'm super excited to see where the channel goes. I'm super excited to see what happens with it. It's still in its experimental stages, so I am bound to, make a few changes here and there, but the changes probably won't be that drastic. But yeah, just so you guys don't get a bit thrown off when you see like different types of videos. For instance, my last video was a get to know me tag, and I do plan on doing a lot more tags. I do plan on doing a lot more, I don't want to say generic videos, but I just want to make videos that I enjoy. I want to make stuff that makes Mumsie happy as well. So I'm gonna end this video here. I don't want it to be too chatty. I don't want it to go on and on for too long. If you have any suggestions for videos that you would like to see on my channel based off of those 3 categories, lifestyle, motivation, and faith, leave them in the comment section, or you can private message me. You can email me. All the links to my social media are in the description box, so feel free to make use of those and just reach out to me. Let me know if there are any suggestions that you have. Just feel free, okay? Feel free. I don't bite, I promise. Or do I? So yeah, feel free to leave those suggestions, and I will try by all means to make them happen, okay? Because this channel is for me, it's for you, and I just want us to have a good time. I want to have a good time with this. I want to have fun with this channel and just explore. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I guess that's it. Okay, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.